This is the location of the TPMS reset button on many Toyota cars. Per owner's manual, first inflate the tires to the manufacturer recommended tire pressure. Then, turn the key into on position without starting the car. Hold the reset button until tire pressure indicator flashes 3 times. After the flashes, leave the key in the on position for a few minutes and then turn the key into lock position. If the light continues flashing for a short period of time after starting the car, and then turns solid, it is usually the sign that the TPMS signal has been lost and most likely ran out of battery, especially if the car is older. The whole sensor then needs to be replaced.